My good people, now welcome back again to Anointed Lady TV. I don come your side with another interesting and legitimate informate wey I go share give the general public. The koko be say, the federal government don approve a $618 million loan to take purchase 6 Italian-made M346 attack jets plus ammunition for the Nigerian Army Force. And this particular development was announced by one countryman wey dey go by the name Mohammed Idris. He na the Minister of Information and National Orientation for inside we country Nigeria, and he make the announcement on Wednesday wey be the 23rd day of October for inside this year 2024. And my good people, make no forget to say the Nigerian Army Force be don make some kind announcement one time ago like that about their renewal strategy wey go include the acquisition, that is to buy 24 M346 attack jets and 10 AW109 Trekker helicopters. The Air Force now they expect 3 jets to arrive by early next year, maybe 2025. Then the remaining deliveries go dey continue to dey come through mid-2026. And before now, my good people, the Chief of Air Staff will be Air Marshal Hassan Abubakar. He be don lead a high-level delegation to go meet with executives from Leonardo SPA, wey be the manufacturer for inside Rome, to go finalize the deal. The company now don confirm the delivery timeline, with the first 3 jets arriving by early 2025 and the rest by mid-2026. So like this now, that one don become done deal. Now we all know how security challenges be for inside the country Nigeria. We all know say the government dey battle various security issues wey dey include Boko Haram insurgency for inside the northeast and banditry for inside the northwest. And in recent years, this our green country wey be Nigeria don spend money wetin no good just to address these insecurity challenges, just to address this matter once and for all. For the 2024 fiscal year, the government allocates 3.3 trillion naira to the defense sector. Now with all these investments, with all these fighter jets now coming to the Nigerian Air Force, we dey believe say there will be improvement, there will be good results in the defense sector of the country Nigeria. But on the other hand, na loan wey our country Nigeria to dey buy all these fighter jets. So this particular development can bring about the next legit information wey I wan pass give the general public. You know say since this our President Bola Ahmed Tinubu just become President of this country Nigeria, another thing wey he don dey do wey many country people no dey happy about na the way he dey collect loan from the World Bank and other possible sources wey they dey collect loan from. Now even with the policy wey our President Bola Ahmed Tinubu dey initiate to raise funds to do other levels wey go make sense for our country people, according to him, the administration still dey go borrow money from outside. So if country hard like this and you still dey borrow money, which policy wey you wan implement to take settle the debt wey you dey owe? That na the question wey many country people dey ask, and that na why many countrymen now dey raise concern, and that na why they are feeling skeptical and they dey fear about the matter, because they no wan see hardship wey go pass the kind hardship wey countrymen dey face currently for inside the country Nigeria. As I'm talking to you right now, my good people, the public debt of the country Nigeria, it don reach an all-time high of 134.3 trillion naira as of the end of the second quarter of this year, maybe 2024. Now you see this huge sum of money, they represent a sharp increment compared to the 121.7 trillion naira wey they record just few months earlier for inside the first quarter of this year. And the main reason for this sharp increment na the devaluation of our country's currency, wey be the naira. Now based on say the dollar, it don't get more dominance, it don't get more value over the naira, many countrymen now don dey put hand for some kind mago activity. They go dey charge in dollars because they want more money. Some kind goods and some kind services are being sold in dollar currency for inside the country Nigeria. Normally it no make sense, and the federal government don already drop warning. See, that act, that level is very much illegal, and if they catch you doing it, you are very much going to jail for it. So my country people, let's be guided. No matter the matter, we could choose our currency. According to one report like that from the Ministry of Finance, Say the dollar amount of the debt e never change much but because the naira now e don lost value, the debt e come appear larger than when dem bin count am in local currency. And still on the report, my good people, in the second quarter of this year, wey be 2024, the debt stock e grow in naira terms to 134.3 trillion naira, that is $91.3 billion from 121.7 trillion naira wey e bin dey before, wey be $91.5 billion for inside the first quarter of this year, wey be 2024. Now it is very much driven mainly by exchange rate devaluation. The dollar amount of the debt now was roughly the same but in naira terms there was a massive increment. Then the federal government come last tell the general public their loan sources. They come yarn us who dey collect loan from. They say out of the 100% of money wey dey owe in general, about 53% of the debt na local, meaning they owe am to creditors inside we country Nigeria. But that institution wey dey borrow the federal government money, they try whether na institution whether na company or na one man dey run am, kudos to the person. This local debt now it is worth 71.2 trillion naira, while the other 47% or 63.1 trillion naira na foreign debt wey dey owed to other countries and other international financial institutions. Now you see this report wey the Ministry of Finance dey release so, e dey also show say the debt to GDP ratio of this our country Nigeria, wey dey compare the total debt to the size of the economy, e don rise above 50%. I know say if they ask the presidency about all these levels, they will tell you say make we do the calms. Say our president Bola Ahmed Tinubu, he know wetin he dey do. They know very well say all these policies now they choke the general public, but it is very much directed to our best interest. That is last all these things wey they go do. Now we country people go smile at the end of the day. Now we country people go happy. Say this kind of level, thank God say it happened for inside the country. Because the presidency we don't come outside come here now. Say time go reach, we go dey thank God for the kind policy and the kind man wey our president Bola Ahmed be. We dey pray last make these reforms no disappoint country people, because this hardship wey countrymen dey go through, nobody don perceive am, nobody don experience am before for inside the country Nigeria. All these my good people now dey informate I wan share give the general public. Anyhow the cocoa be you for body, feel free, nobody go arrest you. Drop am inside the comment section. Now we be Anointed Lady TV. Now they give una legit information on the things and things wey dey happen for inside the country Nigeria. So if you like this update and you would like to receive more, try make you subscribe to the channel and try make you put on the notification bell so that as we dey bring the news they come, now you go first receive the update and you go get them sharp. And try make you share the news to your family and friends so that them too they go know wetin dey happen for inside the country Nigeria. I dey come your side again with another legit intel for you my good people. Abeg, no go anywhere.